Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto cream spinach. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We're going to get started on this keto cream spinach. It's so easy. It's only going to take about 15 minutes. We're using really simple ingredients. We're going to use frozen chopped spinach. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. To get started, I'm going to heat up this skillet over medium heat. And I'm going to start to melt my butter. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to go ahead and add in a half a cup of chopped or diced onion. These are frozen too. I love using frozen diced onion because, you know, onions make me cry. And these are just so easy. You can buy a package in the freezer section of most grocery stores for like $1. And it's already chopped up diced onion, frozen. They cook quicker, and just the prep is, there's no prep. It's just so easy. Frozen vegetables are amazing. We're gonna cook these for about 5 minutes until they're translucent. Okay, our onions are looking good. So I'm gonna add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. I'm just gonna let that cook for about 1 minute more. And now I'm gonna turn the heat up to about medium high, and I'm going to add in our frozen chopped spinach. This is 24 ounces of frozen chopped spinach. You don't have to thaw it. This one did thaw a little bit. You don't have to drain the liquid. We're going to let the liquid cook out in the skillet. That's why we've got it at medium high heat. So we're going to cook this. And what I like about frozen chopped spinach is, if you look at a bag of spinach, it's going to be 24 ounces is a lot of spinach, and you would have to buy multiple bags of spinach. Or you can just buy a couple of bags of frozen chopped spinach, and the advantages are it's more tender. You don't have to cook it as long for the cream spinach to have a nice tender spinach in it, and it just cooks a lot quicker. So we're going to let this liquid, this spinach cook down. We're going to let the liquid cook out of it for about 5 minutes. Okay, our spinach is looking good, so I'm going to reduce the heat back to medium, and I'm going to add in some cream cheese for, you know, cream spinach. I'm going to add in 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm just going to stir this until the cream cheese is melted into the spinach. I like to use cream cheese because I find that heavy cream just becomes a little too soupy. And cream cheese is much thicker, obviously. I don't like soupy cream spinach. Okay, finally we're going to add in half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Just stir that until it's just melted into the cream spinach. And that is about it. I'm going to taste for seasoning, make sure there's plenty of salt and pepper. Well, I'm going to add pepper because I haven't added any yet. Close up of that creamy deliciousness. That looks so good. Let's make sure it's got plenty of seasoning. Need some salt. A little bit of salt. And that's it. So guys, I hope you check out this recipe. Also, check out this recipe for my air fryer pork chops. They're crusted in pork rinds. They would go perfectly with this as the side dish. So, so good. So check those recipes out. Check this recipe out. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.